Hello everyone, today we're talking about the importance of self-discipline and how to achieve it. We have already talked about how to be successful, how to improve your productivity, your time management, the value of self-care, and many more. But to reach all these goals, there must be a key ingredient to the recipe of success, and that is self-discipline. That is our ability for self-control, the way we act, we think, we behave. All our habits must be in check. From waking up early to working out to make breakfast and even making the bed, without self-discipline, we can't do these simple things. Aristotle said, good habits formed at youth make all the difference. Forming good habits at a young age is very important and of course one of the first steps to self-discipline. But to keep that attitude of discipline, as Jim Rohn said, you've got to really work on your consistency and self-discipline on a daily basis, or you'll find yourself distracted. Here are 5 habits that can create the foundation of self-discipline. Number 1. Integrity. Wherever you are, whatever you do, if you want to be successful in life, you must have integrity. In your work, in your personal life, you always have to speak the truth. Because a lie can get you a client, but the truth can keep that client for life. And as Warren Buffett said, it takes 20 years to build a reputation and just 5 minutes to lose it. The same applies to your personal relationships, and if they are based on a lie, they won't last. But the most important thing is that when you lie to others, you also lie to yourself, and you can't develop self-discipline if you lie to yourself. Number 2. Gratitude. You have to be grateful for what you have. Many times we compare our success, our lives to others, but to become self-disciplined and remain that way, we have to acknowledge what we have accomplished and appreciate it. So take your time, think of the things you are grateful for, think of your achievements, and remind yourself of that every single day. And practicing gratitude does require self-discipline, because you need to deliberately and constantly remind yourself how grateful you are for the things you have and accomplished. Number 3. Eat healthy and exercise. The simplest way to create your discipline is your nutrition and your exercise. Self-discipline means to choose to eat healthily rather than eating food with low nutritional value, because you do understand that this will help you in your long-term well-being, as well as exercising. Exercising will help you feel better about yourself and will have many benefits for your body, such as reducing the heart rate, increasing basal metabolic rate, and reducing body fat, just to name a few. Number 4. Persistence. To become a self-disciplined person, you must have persistence. Some days you may feel motivated and others not. To keep doing what you do and get the results you want, you have to take action. And eventually, persistence will provide its own motivation, because results can be very motivating. For example, a stronger and more flexible body after training, not only will it make you feel great, but it will both maintain and reinforce your motivation. Number 5. Avoid distractions. Last but not least, avoiding distractions is critical to developing self-discipline. Distractions might be internals, like a personal challenge you are dealing with, or externals, like your office setup, but in any case, you can't let them get in your way and distract you from what you are doing. The next step is to find time to identify and eventually fix those distractions so that you can be more focused at work, whether that means decluttering your office or working with a coach to overcome your challenges and achieve your goals and aspirations. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked our video, give us a like, a share or a comment. And if you'd like to keep on watching our videos, subscribe on our channel.